It is a ethics-based question, and in this question, you have to see how you deal the situation ethically. So option number A says conduct the bidder conference. As you don't have the enough information to present to your prospective sellers, so it's not advisable to do the bidder conference. So option number A is wrong, ethically wrong. Option number B is reschedule the bidder conference and present yourself. I believe it's not the wise thing to do. You should, ask your team to prepare it well and do it. So option number B is also not right thing to do. Option number C is cancel the bidder conference and award to pre-qualified, seller. I think it's also not justified. You should give fair chance to everybody. So option number C is also not right. Option number D says reschedule the bidder conference and let your team member present it. I believe this is the best thing to do, and this should happen ethically. Option number D, right answer. Thank you. Those who have answered it correctly through ethical mindset, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.